Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. I'm your host Hassan Khurram. It has been really a great pleasure to teach you. Today marks the end of my tutorial series of marketing analytics with Python, and today I'm just going to give you a recap of what we actually did in this particular course and what is yet to be expected in the future studies or you on your endeavor mastering Python for marketing analytics. So yeah, let's rewrap everything we learned into one complete marketing and analytics workflow. By the end of this video, you will be able to see full journey from raw data to actionable marketing insights with Python. We will review the steps we have covered in the previous video, connect the dots to see the full pipeline in action, like starting from importing the data to making actionable insights for the stakeholder. And yeah, so let's move on. As you recall, like initially we kind of imported the data, and after importing the data we visualize it briefly, and after visualizing it, we the first important step that comes into our hand is data pre-processing or data cleaning. For in order to do that, first of all we converted the column date of birth to actual date time format. We handled the missing values, we corrected the categorical values, and we also generated some other values as well, such as age, distribution, customer lifetime value for analysis. So we have done it all, and once you've done it, you will have some sort of data being like looking like this, where we have this CLV churn, all this data calculation and data pre-processing steps over there. Then after that, we sort of applied exploratory data analysis to help us understand the basic meaning or the basic idea of the data set, and also help us give us more robust analysis, like what the data actually tell us and what it actually do for our business. In that particular context, we summarize key metrics like mean, median, min, max, profits, visualize distributions like histograms, bar charts, and pie charts. And when we also analyze the relationships between age versus profit, channel versus profit, and gender insights, and location insights as well. So we have this one right here. So for example, this is like one of many example that we did in the previous video. You know that we have a bar plot, and we have like marketing channel type on x-axis, then we have total profit on y-axis, and then we give the data is equal to df, which is actually the data frame, and finally we set the color map, which is with this. And finally we have title, we have x-axis, which rotates those names in the x-axis, and finally we render the plot. So this is like one of the many example. Then we talk about segmentation. Segmentation was done in multiple forms through multiple techniques. We segmented customer based on high, medium, low value using quantiles. We kind of segment the customer based on low customer lifetime value or total profit, and we build kind of regression model on that. And we also use k-mean clustering as well. So this is like one of the example where we use quantile method, and we segment the customer into three categories based on the value of total profit columns, and they would be labeled as low, medium, or high. So that's pretty much it. And finally we discuss about reporting and dashboard. Obviously your role as a data analyst doesn't end here. You have to generate automated reports, automated excel files, and some interactive plotted dashboard that you can export it as in the form of STL. So this is like one of the example where we first perform the analysis, apply the group by method, then calculated the aggregate value, then solve that, save that information in the form of CSV file. So just keep that in mind. First of all, we analyze the data. Prior to that, we actually clean the data set and prepare it for an analysis. Then we use EDA to reveal initial patterns. Then we use segmentation and modeling to drive decisions, to make predictors that will ultimately have marketers to have informed decision making and make more tailored and more specific channel distribution promotion strategies for a particular segment of the customers. And finally, we talk about reporting and dashboard that commute results. Actionable insight must be clearly presented to the stakeholder. So what is next to be expected, you would say? So we have, obviously we kind of discussed few segmentation techniques. There are other segmentation techniques as well, such as RMF. We can further elaborate our dashboard with more plots and more insights, as compared to just sticking with just two plots or four plots. We can also have like some filters. We can also have some values that are being displayed, such as like ROI for a particular segment, ROI of customer lifetime value for a particular segment, or churn rate. And we can generate automated reports and send that report automatically with the help of Python to our stakeholders. So I hope this tutorials, a set of videos for marketing analytics in Python, have been helpful to you. If you have any question, feel free to write down your comments. And the next upcoming videos, I might be talking about AI agents. Till then, peace out, have fun. I will catch you soon in the next video.